How many times have you thought of starting to change your lifestyle and live more healthy? Do you think it is difficult to combine your budget with a healthy lifestyle? But it should not necessarily be like that. How much money do you spend on junk food and drinks? Healthy food is not more expensive. How much money do you spend on taking the bus or driving the car to university? Taking the bike and walking is healthy and free. Do you think doing sports is expensive? Going jogging costs nothing, and a subscription in a sports club is not that expensive. How much time do you spend on watching movies and using the internet? Using some of this time to do sports or cook with friends. Living healthy does not necessarily need to be time consuming and expensive. You can combine everything: your studies, partying, your money, and living healthy. You ask yourself how? GP Seneca will answer all your questions.